how to allow Snapchat to access your location on iPhone. There are various ways you can do this on your iPhone, so I'll guide you through some of the processes in this video. Tap on the Snapchat icon, then tap on your profile picture at the base of the screen where there is this button. Tap on it. You see that it says allow Snapchat. If you tap on allow button, then be able to allow your location on Snapchat. That is one of the way you can do that. Then tap on the profile icon, tap on settings. From settings here, scroll up under privacy control, tap on see my location, tap on it. Now tap on enable here, then you'll be able to tap on allow. Then this will allow Snapchat to use your location using the apps. Now the next setting you have to do is to do it through the settings. Go to the settings on your iPhone, tap on it. Now scroll up until you get to the apps on your device, tap on it. Then scroll up guys until you have access to Snapchat on this, the list of apps you have here. So once you get to Snapchat, just tap on Snapchat, open it. Now that I've tapped on it, then tap on location. Here, location, tap on it. You see it's under never. Now tap on always. Then you see that your preset location is turned on. So let's go back and see if our location has been activated on the Snapchat app on our device. Tap on it, then tap back again, tap back again. You can see that our location has been activated. That is why it's able to give us this. So that's all guys on how to enable location access on our Snapchat. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.